Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little update. Sorry I didn't post any videos tonight. I'm not feeling really all that well. I took off work today and then it turned into doing a bunch of stuff, knickknacks and things like that, so I didn't even get to lay around and try to get to feeling better. So hopefully I can get some stuff posted maybe tomorrow. And if you don't hear from me tomorrow, you'll definitely hear from me again on Wednesday when we do the weekly comic book haul video. And maybe I'll have something interesting to show you in that one. Take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.